What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing a new part on the Miata, and if you watched my last video you'll probably know what that part is, but I'll go ahead and tell you. I ordered my front lip, so yeah, let's take a look at the one I got. Here it is. This one is a replica I got off of eBay of the RS factory stage front lip. The other one that you see on Miatas all the time is the Garage Very, either the authentic or the replica, most likely the replica because they're like 50 bucks. This one was a little more, this one was like 80 bucks shipped, but like I said, you don't see it as much on Miatas, so I opted for this one. So I mocked this lip up the other night, and it doesn't fit exactly perfect. Obviously it's like pretty close, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna leave it out in the sun and let it get a little hot, a little more flexible before I try to actually put this thing on. The lip came with these 4 self-tapping screws, kind of a wider head on there so it doesn't pull through. I got these extra ones from Home Depot yesterday. They don't have quite as wide of a head, so I might have to use some washers on those, but yeah, I'm gonna try the self-tapping screws, and if that is not as fastened as I'd like it to be, I'll go ahead and actually get some bolts, nuts and bolts, to actually hold it on more securely. So at this point, I've drilled about 6 holes on the underside of this lip to mount onto the bumper. I'm gonna need some kind of attachment at the back end here on both sides, but I'm gonna leave it like that because I'm not sure where that's actually gonna end up sitting. But for now, we're just gonna leave this in the sun, let it heat up. That way it'll be a little more flexible when we go to put it on the car. Just got back from eating some tacos. Let's drill this thing in. Right here we got all the screws in the middle section, not cinched down but in, holding the lip on. So the only thing we have to do is put in a screw on the back side, like near here. This side lays almost perfect. The other side is going to require a little more massaging to fit just like that, but either way it'll fit. I'll show you the other side. Other side looks like this, so gotta just stretch it on a little bit, but we'll be able to screw that in, and then it'll hold tight. So looking sweet though. I can't wait to see this thing on the ground. The lip is officially on. We got all the screws on the bottom, and then we did these 2 on the side. So you can see right here, we got just 1 screw in there. Used a self-tapper. I might paint it black, I don't know, but for now I'm not too worried about it. So that's what it looks like real quick before I lower it down. Really pleased with how it turned out. There it is, boys. That thing looks freaking sick. I am so pumped on this lip. The problem is, now I gotta get side skirts and a wing. It's a never-ending adventure, but man, that thing looks sick. Makes it a little lower looking overall without actually having to lower the suspension. A couple angles here. All right, that's it guys. Front lip is officially installed. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to click subscribe. Until next time, catch you guys on the flippity flop. Peace out.